Alrighty, so what you making here today, Mama Redbuck?
Pimento cheese, gourmet of the South. Breaking Bad, Mike says it's gourmet of the South.
But Breaking Bad isn't where you learned how to make pimento cheese, is it?
Oh, no.
What did you learn from Breaking Bad?
I can't tell you.
Alrighty, we had some fried Spam for breakfast. Is there anything less healthy than fried Spam, Mimo?
Pimento cheese, that's why I'm getting ready to make a little bit.
Okay. What's healthier than a pound of cheese?
I got the extra sharp cheddar. It's always nice to have. You can make sandwiches, just crackers, anything you want. We're going to cut off a few pieces at a time. It just takes a while to grate it.
So you always get the dice.
Yeah, because it's, you know, you can buy them different sizes and stuff, but it's easier, you know, you just throw them in.
And you
don't
got
have to
2
worry
jars.
about chopping them up. You don't want to have a mountain of cheese in just one little jar of pimentos in it. You want the pimentos also. You want it to stand out.
So you're going to use both of these for about a pound.
You know, it looks like a lot, but once you get the stuff in, get it all stirred up, you don't really have that much.
Dad's mom got you hooked on making pimento cheese, huh?
Yeah, she used to make some.
Yeah, that was in the backwoods of Georgia, right?
Yeah.
At the end of the dirt road.
At the end
with
of the
the
dirt
snakes.
roads and the pines.
Yeah.
The prisoners would get loose.
That was the real South, right?
That was the real South.
I remember being a kid and we'd go out and we'd look in those cinder block steps, you know, looking for snakes in them holes.
Yeah. You know, out in the woods, there was all kinds of things out there. And like you said, it was down the dirt road.
Yeah. So you ended up grating about a pound of sharp cheddar cheese.
You could buy like a half a pound of Monterey Jack and a half a pound of the cheddar.
Mix that up.
And mix it both together.
Is that real pimento cheese if you do it like that, though?
Well, of course.
Can you use the cheese that's already grated?
I don't care for the cheese that's already grated. It has this texture about it. It's like, it has like a, sometimes it feels like it has a coating on it.
Yeah. They do have a coating on it to keep it from caking. So that's not what you want for a good pimento cheese. So this is a 4-ounce jar. Usually when you see them in the store, they're like that.
Yeah. Now see, it has a lot of liquid on it. I drained that off. I just drained it in my hand. You don't want all that liquid in there.
You don't want a watery pimento cheese.
No. You can put more, you can put less. It's up to you, you know. It's up to you.
Yeah, I generally like a lot of pimentos.
I always use the peppercorns, but today...
Today you're just going to old school McCormick, huh?
I'm going to have to because I don't have it on hand and I'm not really crazy about going out to no store. We're going to put a little bit of mayonnaise because we can always add mayonnaise.
You just want to add mayonnaise to taste, huh?
Yeah.
There ain't no wrong or right amount. It's whatever amount of mayonnaise makes you happy.
Yeah, mayonnaise is good. See, there's quite a few pimentos in there.
Yeah.
That cheese, it doesn't really make that much. Looks like a mountain.
Yeah, after you once you stir it up, it's not nearly as much.
No, not at all.
And that's all there is to it, just those 4 ingredients.
That's it.
Cheese, pimentos, mayonnaise, a little bit of black pepper. So we'll give it a little taste test here and see if we got enough mayonnaise.
Let me know what you think. Do we have enough mayonnaise in it, or should we add a little bit more?
I think that's the right amount. I mean, I don't want any more mayonnaise in there.
No, I think, see, it's
got a nice creamy look.
Yeah.
I mean, you could add more if you wanted to. You could have a little less if you wanted to, but I think that's a pretty good amount. I like it to look like this here. Nice and creamy, very spreadable.
Yeah.
Now, before you clean up your bowl here, I'm going to go ahead and make some pepper cheese. And that way we'll have a double cheese spread video. How does that sound?
Pepper cheese? Well, I don't know exactly what we're talking about.
Well, it's kind of like pimento cheese, but it's a little bit different. But we don't have camera girl, so you're going to have to be the camera girl. Does that sound all right?
All right.
All righty, here, you take over camera duties. Don't grab it by the lens. Grab it by this part here. Well, here, I'm going to put this around your wrist for insurance. You're just going to video me. Oh, son of a buck.
You did it.
Man, God dang, I just wish you'd hold that camera like it was valuable.
Well, I have got it.
Okay. Now we're going to use some white cheddar cheese. So we'll go ahead and grate that up. Now you got the image centered in there, Meemaw?
I got it in the center, I hope. I'm not used to this. He don't pay me enough.
You can use any white cheese and it will work well with this pepper cheese spread, but I like to use a cheddar cheese because I think that firmer cheese works better for a cheese spread. I think I should have you grating this cheese because I'm not as strong as you are, Meemaw.
I'm beginning to believe it.
It's taking me a while. So we got a little grated up white cheese.
Okay, and what else do you put in that? I've never had that before.
Well, you're gonna like it. There ain't much to it though. As long as I don't put too many jalapenos, you're gonna like it. And you can chop up these jalapenos if you like.
Oh, you're gonna put them whole?
Into any, yeah.
Really?
Yeah. And you can put as many peppers in here as you like.
Well, I like some jalapenos, but I mean, come on.
Seems like a lot.
That's a terrible lot. Not only that, they're whole.
It seems like a lot, but I mean the cheese is going to cool it down, and the mayonnaise is going to cool it down. I'm going to be like you and kind of be conservative.
Oh my goodness.
You think that's a lot?
That's an awful lot.
So just like the pimento cheese, you just want to stir it up. And I'm not going to add any black pepper in here because the overwhelming flavor is going to be this jalapeno. But the creaminess of the cheese and the mayonnaise really will cut through a lot of the heat of the jalapeno.
I don't think you have to worry about me eating any. Oh my goodness. Oh no.
Let me give it a little taste test here with a cracker.
Oh, you're turning red.
Mm-mm. Doesn't taste hot at all. Okay, I'm getting a little bit of it now. But it's not overwhelming. It's not like you think it's going to be. Because that mayonnaise and that cheese kind of neutralizes a lot of the heat. Does it seem hot?
It's not as hot as I thought it was going to be, but I only had a little piece of jalapeno.
Go ahead and get you one with some jalapeno on it. Even if you get a jalapeno, it's not going to be as hot as you think. Just get a little bit of the cheese with it. And if you put that on some bread, or if you put it on a cracker, it's even going to cut the heat even more. This is a video, you gotta say something. I'm just gonna sit here and stand here and watch you chew for an hour.
I can't, Mike.
You think it's hot?
Oh. It's...
Is that too hot for you?
Yes. For me
Lord.
it is, yes.
I don't think it's too hot at all. You can do a pepper cheese, or you can do a pimento cheese. If you want to check the recipes out, I'll have it down below in the video description. Go to myfoodchannel.com. You can print all our recipes over there. I'll have a link down there. Thanks for watching, and subscribe, blah, blah, blah. Thanks, Mama Redbuck, for being a camera girl in training, and we'll see you all in the future.